Most creators over 40 are still wasting days on video production. There's a faster way now. And I say this as someone who spent years doing it the old way. Full setup, proper lighting, multiple takes, then editing, then captions, then realizing the script needed a tweak and starting over. It's exhausting. BIGVU's AI UGC avatars cut through all of that. You choose from 100 plus avatars that feel human and relatable, not robotic, not stiff. You paste your script or write one using BIGVU's built-in AI writer. Then you generate. The video is ready in minutes. It works for product demos, tutorials, testimonials, sales sequences, basically any video you've been putting off because production felt too heavy. And since these avatars support 30 plus languages, you stop leaving entire audiences untouched just because you can't film in their language. Your time is worth more than another reshoot. BIGVU's AI UGC avatars give you that time back. Go to BIGVU right now and create your first video without touching a camera.